Sorry, what?
I'm sorry.
Is that motherfucking Mithrix? What the fuck is Mithrix doing here? Wait, what?
The sound
Who
of time.
invited
maybe.
this motherfucker? Oh, he's almost dead.
Madam. Oh, I fucking love
The
ice.
fuck,
Hit him.
bro?
This is how hard the basic enemies are. Imagine how hard the boss is gonna be.
I swear, if we get a Mithrix 2, I'm gonna lose it.
A few moments later.
Yes, two teddies.
Oh,
Are you fucking kidding me?
motherfucker! It's Mithrix 2! It's Mithrix 2!
Fuck is he?
Oh, alright, well, I turn he's actually right. Where's he gone?
Oh my fucking!
Railgun, and he was in your bubble.
Is he just dying? Oh no, I can't.
Bye!
What? Oh
I
no, he came
win.
back. He came back.
I win!
I can't believe it.